So Lulu, my cattle dog, chased off a bunch of blue jays off my donut peach. It's full of peaches, at least 200 peaches on this tree. And they ate about 10 peaches, it looks like. And that's just this morning. So what I did is I got foil. I'm wearing sunglasses right now. A bird's eye is very sensitive to light, as far as my research has shown. Looking online, that is. So there's foil everywhere on this tree, on surrounding trees, even on the corn, as you can see right there. But also I'm hanging my snakes, as you can see right here. My fake snakes, that is. So there's about 3 snakes on this tree. One here, over here, another one, and one towards the back. So wrap foil around your trees to deter birds. You don't need to buy anything, special equipment. All you need is foil.